UPSC Prelims, Polity, Preamble and Fundamental Rights and Fundamental Duties for UPSC Prelims 2025. The Preamble, Fundamental Rights, Fundamental Duties from the soul of the Indian Constitution. If you master these, you can easily tackle the UPSC Prelims questions. Relevance. Every year UPSC asks direct and conceptual questions from these topics. Objective. In this 15 minutes video, we will cover preamble, keywords and interpretation. Fundamental rights, Article 12 to 35 with analysis. Fundamental duties, importance and key provisions. First one, if you talk about the preamble, key features and UPSC relevance. What is preamble? It is the introductory statement that expresses the philosophy of the Constitution, derived from the Objectives Resolution by Jawaharlal Nehru 1946. Important keywords in the preamble: sovereign. India is independent in its decision making. Socialist, aim at reducing economic inequalities, added by the 42nd Amendment 1976. Secular, equal treatment of all religions, added by 42nd Amendment. Democratic, power rests with people. Republic, head of the state is an elected president, not hereditary. Important UPSC questions: can be the preamble be amended? Yes. Truth. Article 368, case on the Bharati case 1973. Is the preamble a part of the Constitution? Yes. For the Supreme Court, UPSC MCQ example: which of the following words were not originally in the preamble? For example, A. Socialist, B. Secular, C. Republic, D. Integrity. Which are following words are not originally in the preamble is socialist and secular and integrity. Fundamental rights, Article 12 to 35 is: what are fundamental rights? These rights ensure individual freedom and equality and are justiciable. Based on US Bill of Rights, 6 fundamental rights and UPSC keywords. Right to equality, Article 14 to 18. No discrimination, abolition of untouchability is Article 17. Right to freedom, Article 90 to 22. Includes freedom of speech, movement and protection in criminal cases. Right against exploitation, Article 23 to 24. Abolition of human trafficking and child labor. Right to freedom of religion, Article 25 to 28. Freedom of profess, practice and propagate any religion. Fifth one is cultural and educational rights, Article 29 to 30. Protection of minority rights. Sixth one is rights to constitutional remedies, Article 32 to 35. Called the heart and soul of the Constitution by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Important Supreme Court judgments, Kesavananda Bharati case 1973. Fundamental rights are part of the basic structure. Maneka Gandhi case 1978. Expand the scope of the Article 21, right to life and liberty. UPSC questions example: which fundamental rights is called the heart and soul of the Constitution? is Article 32. Fundamental duties from Article 51A. Origin and purpose. 42nd Amendment 1976 added 10 fundamental duties. Swarana Singh Committee. 86th Amendment 2002 added the L1 duty, compulsory education for children. List the fundamental duties highlighted for UPSC. Respect the Constitution, national flag and anthem. Promote harmony and spirit of brotherhood. Safeguard public property. Develop scientific temper and humanism. Why are fundamental duties are important? Uh, because of they are non-justiciable, cannot be enforced by courts. They guide citizens in maintaining constitutional values. If UPSC MCQ example, for example, which of the following is not a fundamental duty? Option A is to vote the elections. B is to respect the national flag. C is to develop a scientific temper. D is to protect the public property. Answer is A. To violate to vote in elections. Takeaways. Preamble, philosophy of the Constitution, fundamental rights, individual freedom and protection, fundamental duties, moral obligation for citizens. Exam strategy. Read the preamble article 12 to 35 carefully. Focus on landmark judgment. Solve PIQ for UPSC Prelims. If you found this useful, like, share and subscribe to Yuvraj Empire X for more UPSC content. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.